Title: The Talking Refrigerator. In a small town, a boy named Ali got a brand new refrigerator. It was shiny, smart, and very talkative. One night, when Ali went to get water, the fridge suddenly said, "Close the door. I'm catching a cold." Ali jumped 3 feet in the air. "Who said that?" he shouted. The fridge replied, "Me, your food guard. I've been programmed to talk." Ali laughed. "Well, Mr. Food Guard, can you make ice cream too?" The fridge said, "Only if you stop opening me every 5 minutes." From that day, Ali and the fridge became best friends. They had long talks every night, mostly about snacks, sandwiches, and keeping veggies fresh. But one day, the fridge said seriously, "Ali, you ate all the chocolate." Again, Ali sighed. "You sound like my mom now." "Good, I'll tell her too." That night, Ali ate only carrots, quietly.